Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with another luxury home walkthrough. This one was in the same area as the last two you may have seen on the channel. This one came in at $2,900,000, 4,696 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. This one is all on one floor and it has a 5-car garage. So if you saw the last videos I've made in the same neighborhood, you'll notice this driveway was more of a traditional concrete. Going inside, nice black floor-to-ceiling caged windows I thought looked great, and I love this blue color. Tell me what you think about the blue with the gold. I think that's a newer trend that's starting to come back now, but I think I really like the color of this room inside for a home office. It seems like a lot of the home offices have the darker room. Maybe you put a safe in there or something. I don't know what that space is really intended for, but I'm sure you can find a good use for it. But I like the built-ins there too. Across the hallway, you have your exercise weight room here, and it does have a sliding glass door that will connect to the pool room on the left, a little walk-through area there. Across from the weight room, we have another bedroom here, and it's pretty traditional, nothing too out of the ordinary here. I did like how it had nice carpet, so it was a little more livable than some of the other ones that were up here. And just your traditional nice looking cabinets here. I did like how it had a tub with some nice tile work there behind it. Going into the other bathroom here, pretty much the same counters or pretty similar as the other one. I do really like the feel of these small circular tiles on your feet, and really nice built-in drain. Another bedroom here off to the side. 3 windows in each room, so I liked how it had a consistent theme there. Little closet off here to the side, so just a normal sized home here. In the back, you had your pool room items, and then you kind of go through a little walkway and come into the pool room area, which had its own washer and dryer. And over here on the side, a nice little bench to sit down and put your shoes on or change into your clothes. Floating sink over here, and another shower. So that's nice to have a shower with some really nice tile design here for coming in from the pool. So very handy, useful space here. Up in the ceiling, it looks like it had a heater for when you're coming in from the cold. And this room right here had some very nice built-ins. I like the cabinet work here and the colors. And the nice tile floor here, a TV up on the wall. And here's your pool room exit here. So grilling space here to the right, nice pool on the left, and of course beautiful views. And this little wet bar over here was a nice feature. Had some nice tile in the background. And I was looking at the transition from tile to wood. They did a pretty good job on that. Here's another look at the entry hall. So as you come in, you have a little piano here. I really liked these arched built-ins. Tell me what you think about that. So I think that they had a nice symmetrical design on each side, and the very big windows, which were very common for this area of town, and having the big views of the mountains in the background looked pretty good. But I thought this was a very nice, entertaining area, living room area, with a nice view of the pool and the mountains. Nice hot tub there, heating the pool. Fire feature behind it that didn't seem like it was turned on. And so coming from the living room, we have the formal dining area. So it's just part of the kitchen. And so here's a look of the kitchen. I liked how you had the sink over here overlooking the view, and I like the design of that sink as well. And what they're doing a lot with are these refrigerators that are built into the cabinets, so they just blend in. Little butler kitchen off to the back here with more storage area for your pantry. So that's a good amount of storage space there, and I love these counters here with the lights for the floating shelves. I think that looked great, and I like the wood color that they chose for this. Here's another view coming back through here. This is how you actually get to the master. So you go through this area, you have a nice seating area for putting shoes on and off, and now you're making your way into the master. So master bedroom was a decent size. I thought it was good. I like the wood backdrop that they did here. That was a nice custom feature. And big floor-to-ceiling windows again for the beautiful view of the mountain range out the back. Now, as we work our way from the bedroom into the bathroom, I think the bathroom was bigger than this house would have. And you know, some of the other ones, it seems the bathroom's too small. This one was great. It was beautiful. I liked the built-ins, the cabinets, the lights around the mirror looked really nice, and beautiful views for that soaker bathtub. So nice little area here. Here's a view of the mountain range again for what you can see. And I like how the rest of the house didn't really block the view, so that was designed okay. I really love this shower, especially that archway. I thought that tile archway was beautiful, and I like the two different styles where you have the darker stone on the bottom and the other tile up at the top. Little bathroom here, and then coming over here into our closets, you have the his and her side. So here's one of the closets, plenty of space in there, and a nice mirror there. And then the other side, I'm guessing this would be the his side. But this walks through to the laundry room, which I love that they're doing that so that the laundry room isn't just in its own way, but you can walk through the master to get to the laundry room and use that same laundry room for the rest of the home if you wanted to, or for other areas. So walking back through here, you would hit the kitchen, and I loved this little built-in area for taking your shoes off. What do you think about that? The colors are good, but let me know in the comments what you think. I thought this was a very nice touch. I like the lighting on that too, and the colors. There was also a very nice bathroom right here. It was a good place for it on the back side of the kitchen. I love the tile work on the floor, the colors, and it matches the counter. And another good color on the paint, I think. You don't see a lot of it, and the gold contrast's pretty nice. So I think it's a very nice looking bathroom here. So as for the garage, nothing too out of the ordinary. And just had some vendors in here as always, so you don't really get to see too much of the garage, but at least the floor was epoxy coated, it appeared. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description. I'll put more videos that are like this, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.